Ask Tom on Home Show.
Charles from Jersey Village has a question about attic critters.
Yeah, he's got some unwelcome guests, Tom. Charles writes, we bought our first home just a few months ago and now have some squirrels in the crawl space. What's your advice on getting them out and keeping them out?
Well, if you call a pest control company, they have laws and rules they have to follow. So what they're going to do is this. They're going to catch them in traps. They're going to take them away so you don't have to see it, and they're going to euthanize them. They have to be killed. If you try to wait till they get out and then seal up the hole, they're just going to keep coming back. Squirrels are very determined little creatures. Once they claim a home, they claim a home. Just like once they claim a mate, they mate for life. And they stay in their own little surrounding area. They don't travel far at all. So what you have to do really is get rid of them, and that means killing them. Now, a lot of people like to say you can get them, take them, 100 miles away, dump them out in the woods. That's fine and dandy, but it's really not a legal thing to do, and I'm sure there's a lot of reasons. One is they could have rabies, and you're spreading rabies all over the state. Or, you go take them to a neighborhood you don't like and dump them over there, so they're getting inundated with crazy squirrels. So you never know what somebody's going to do with them. So the best thing to do is catch them and have them euthanized, and hopefully humanely, and that way they won't come back. And then you can go around and have your home taken care of. As far as rats, that's different, but it's the same type of hole. They'll go around and cover all the entry points. But if a squirrel wants to get in, it'll chew through almost anything to get in there. And once it's in there, that's its home.
Yeah, that's a good point, that squirrels and rats are a very different problem in dealing with it.
More so than just the tail, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and then, because a squirrel is not a rat with a fluffy tail. It's a very different animal.
No, we think of it, though it's not, no.
Yeah. Now, and then of course, we've had people write to us who get bees in the house, and that's a similar kind of problem.
Well, it's not a mammal, but you have to. If you can get a beekeeper to take them out, great. I've had to kill them in my house. I remember one nest. They were just building it, and I caught them, and I killed them. I didn't have a choice. They weren't going to stop. And I love bees. I have fruit trees. They're the best thing in the world. You don't mess with bees, right? Until they start to invade your structure of your home. Then you have no choice. If you can get them out and move the hive, great. I'm all for it. A lot of people who do that won't do that today because some of the beehives are integrated with the killer bee type bees, the aggressive ones, and the docile ones, and they don't want to integrate those into their own hive systems. So you'll have to talk to a beekeeper who really knows his stuff. But if you can't get a beekeeper to take them out and they're doing damage in your home, you have to kill them.
Yeah, you want to be smart about your home improvements? Go visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button right there, the blue one on our homepage. And you can send us videos, you can write us questions, you can send us pictures. That always helps us do a better job. And we appreciate it when you do that because we want to do a good job. That's why we do these every day. You'll find a new one of these posted every single day on the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, where you can subscribe, click the bell, and know when they go up. You can go to our Facebook page where we do our Facebook Live show every Thursday. Or, of course, you can go where it all comes together at HomeShowRadio.com.